You know that feeling when you're eating chips in front of your computer screen or on your desk and suddenly the chips fall out of your mouth because you're laughing so much? Everything is on the ground, everything is on your keyboard, and then you're like, oh no, I should have a small vacuum cleaner that's called a Henry right now, which would be very nice to clean everything up, but I don't have one. Well, that's where the Henry comes in. No, but this is our first episode of Dollar Gadgets, and this is the Henry. This has been sent to us by Cool Gift, and it's just a small vacuum cleaner, as you can see, the perfect little companion for your desktop. Angle my vacuum head for better suction. Use my crevice tool for those hard to reach areas. Keep my filter clean so that I can work at my best. Empty dust and crumbs from my body regularly. I don't know how you open this up. Oh, alright, it's open. Woo! Very small, very small. That's so neat. Look, this is a regular vacuum thing. This is a other vacuum thing. This is a longer tube, and this is another long tube, and this is the other vacuum. I have no idea what these are called in English, but yeah, you know what I mean. Ah, a screwdriver. 3 AA batteries. Duracell, AA batteries. Duracell. It is not working. I installed the batteries on the wrong side. Yeah, it happens. It works. I'm cleaning my desk. Oh, okay. Willie, what's it called again? Willie? No, Henry fell over. I think it works better when you use the small nose, because it doesn't need to travel a long distance, and you have a lot more power when you use a small one. So I'm going to install this one. Alright, so imagine you dropped all your paper. Oh no, I dropped all my paper. Oh no, what do I do now? Henry! I'm going to get those pieces a bit smaller, because otherwise it's probably not going to work. So I turn on the Henry. I was expecting that it was not going to. I was expecting that it's not going. I was expecting that it wasn't going to work, because it's a very small hole. Maybe if you can see that, it's very small, and you really need very tiny pieces. So, for example, this one. No, it's too big as well. Okay, paper is not going to work. Going to have to clean this one up myself. It's mainly focused on small dirt, like chips, for example, or other things that leave a bit of filthiness, like dirt, or just some kind of, especially dirt and dust get between your keyboard. So I'm going to put some other things in there as well. All right. That's working. Woo. Works very well. No, really, this works pretty well, and I have to say it's not the most powerful vacuum cleaner I've ever seen, but for a small vacuum cleaner for on your desk, this is just perfect. And you'll see all the dirt inside the Henry. If I can open it again, there it is. And as you can see, all that dirt comes from my keyboard, so pretty cool. Alright, this was Henry the vacuum cleaner. It's very small, it's versatile, you can do a lot of things with it, and it does the job. So yeah, it's a very cool gadget, check it out, and if you have any questions regarding Henry, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be very glad to help you. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. If you did, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes you that are watching this behind your computer or behind your phone, in our next video. Bye bye.